Hello students, Pragati Education heartily welcomes you. Dear students, today we are going to learn an interesting chapter for English grammar, that is omission of preposition. That is omission of prepositions. It means when and where we have to avoid use of preposition. हमको कहाँ प्रीपोजिशन को अवॉइड करना है और कहाँ प्रीपोजिशन का जरूरत नहीं है, उसके बारे में ही आज हमको डिस्कस करना है. सो टुडेज टॉपिक फॉर डिस्कशन दैट इज ओमिशन ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन. सो बिफोर गोइंग टू द चैप्टर, I think you already know about a preposition. A preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relations with other words of the sentence. So a preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relations with other words of the sentence. For example, in, on, at, are, under, of, all these are prepositions. So today we are going to learn some situations where we need not use any preposition. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. कहां पर हमको प्रीपोजिशन का जरूरत नहीं है, कहां पर हमको प्रीपोजिशन का यूज करना नहीं है. सो नंबर 1, टाइम वर्ड्स like yesterday, today, tomorrow, do not take any preposition before them. So dear students, time words like today, tomorrow, yesterday, they don't take any preposition before them. Tomorrow, today, yesterday जैसे टाइम वर्ड्स वो उनके पहले प्रीपोजिशन नहीं लेते. एग्जाम्पल, द मीटिंग will be held tomorrow at 10 a.m. Example number 2, I met my friend Rohit yesterday on my way to school. So here are 2 examples. One is the meeting will be held tomorrow at 10 a.m. Here no preposition has been used before tomorrow. इसका आगे कोई preposition नहीं है, preposition का जरूरत नहीं है इधर. Second, I met my friend Rohit yesterday. इसका आगे कोई प्रीपोजिशन नहीं है. सो इन दिस वे टाइम वर्ड्स टुडे, टुमारो, यस्टरडे, दे डोंट टेक एनी प्रीपोजिशन बिफोर देम. सो टाइम वर्ड्स टुमारो, यस्टरडे, टुडे वो अपने पहले कोई प्रीपोजिशन नहीं लेते. नंबर 2, expression that begins with next, all, each and every, etc. do not take preposition. Expression that begins with next, that begins with all, that begins with every or each, etc., that do not take preposition before them. Example: what you are going to do next time. What you are going to do next time. इसका आगे कोई प्रीपोजिशन नहीं है, क्योंकि एक्सप्रेशन लाइक नेक्स्ट टाइम that do not take any preposition before them. Example second: he met my uncle last Monday. Number 3: he slept all night. So here expression last Monday, last, all, they do not take preposition before them. जैसे last Monday, इसका आगे कोई preposition का जरूरत नहीं. He slept all night, इसका आगे कोई preposition का जरूरत नहीं. So expression like next, last, all, etc., they do not take any preposition before them. हमको सीधा ये लिखना है, we are going to do next time. My uncle, I met my uncle last Sunday. लास्ट का आगे कोई ऑन का जरूरत नहीं, कोई प्रीपोजिशन का जरूरत नहीं. He slept all night, all का आगे कोई प्रीपोजिशन का जरूरत नहीं. So in this way, expression that begins with next, all and each, they do not take any preposition before them. अभी आते हैं number 3. The situation 3 where we need not use any preposition. Number 3, article, preposition is not needed before the expression like at what time, so preposition is not needed before the expression like at what time. At what time जैसे expressions का आगे कोई prepositions का जरूरत नहीं. तो let us take an example. एग्जाम्पल है at what time, at what time the match will begin. So here at what time का आगे कोई भी preposition का जरूरत नहीं. At what time the match will begin. So in this way, the expression like at what time, they do not take any preposition before them. Then situation number 4. Before situation number 4, phrases like the same way, another way, this way, also take no preposition. So when we use preposition, when you use phrases like the same way, another way, this way, this type of phrases, they do not take any preposition before them. For example, this sum can be solved another way. This sum can be solved another way. Example number 2, you can do this work this way also. So here are two examples. One is from another way, the other is from this way. So here this sum can be solved another way. No preposition has been used before another way. Here no preposition has been used before this way, because no preposition is required before this expression. Phrases like the same way, another way, this way, they don't take any preposition before them. Then let us know the situation 5 in which preposition is not required. Let us know about 5. No preposition required before the term home. होम वर्ड का आगे कोई भी प्रीपोजिशन जरूरत नहीं होता. एग्जाम्पल, he reached home at 10 p.m. He reached home at 10 p.m. reached का आगे, होम का आगे कोई प्रीपोजिशन का जरूरत नहीं. He reached home at 10 p.m. because the words or the term like home, they do not take any preposition before them. Then situation number 6, where we need not use any preposition. The word enter also take no preposition before it. So here is a word enter, and this word enter, it don't take any preposition before them. इसका आगे कोई prepositions का जरूरत ही नहीं. So let us see how. Example, he entered my room without my permission. So here he entered my room without my permission. So here इसका आगे कोई prepositions का जरूरत नहीं. इंटर के पीछे देखो, he entered. अगर हम यूज कर रहे हैं he entered into my room, in some cases the students they use enter into my room. He entered into my room without my permission. In these cases, but here in such cases we need not use any preposition. Enter का पीछे कोई prepositions का जरूरत ही नहीं है. Directly you have to write he entered my room. But you can write came into my room. Came into, he came into my room. You can write he came into my room. But in this case, entered, you need not use any preposition. Directly you have to write he entered my room. But you can write he came into my room. This is correct, but in these cases you have to write directly entered my room without my permission. Then let us know the situation. Seventh, no need to write any preposition, no need to use, no need to use any preposition. Before with the word attend. So attend is a word, and in this case also you did not use any preposition. Example, only 10 students attended the class yesterday. So here is an example how the word attend. Do not take an example. Only 10 students attended the class. यहाँ कोई preposition का जरूरत नहीं. Directly you have to write attended the class yesterday. So in this way, the word attend, do not take any preposition before or after it. Then number 7, situation number 7. No need of preposition. When the word lack is used as a verb. Lack is a word, but when it is used as a verb, it takes no preposition. लाख जो वर्ड है उसको हम यूज कर रहे हैं वर्ब के रूप में. देन इन दिस केस यू हैव नो नीड टू यूज एनी प्रीपोजिशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, समटाइम्स ही लैक्स confidence. Sometimes he lacks confidence. Here lacks, do not take any preposition. इसका आगे कोई preposition का जरूरत नहीं है. But when it is used as a noun, you can used as a verb. Here the word lack has been used as a verb, hence no preposition is required. But when lack is used as a noun, it requires a preposition. Example, I am trying to overcome lack of confidence. So here you see how the word lack has been used as a noun, and here it requires a preposition. When lack it is used as a preposition, it requires a preposition. Lack here has been used as a noun, hence it requires a preposition of. But in the first sentence, as it is used as a verb, here there is no need of preposition. So remember, the word lack, when used as a verb, it requires no preposition, whereas when it is used as a noun, it requires preposition. So dear students, in this way, there are some other situations also where we need not use any प्रीपोजिशन। बहुत सारे सिचुएशंस ऐसे हैं जहां पर हमको कोई प्रीपोजिशंस का जरूरत नहीं है और जहां पर प्रीपोजिशन का यूज करना ही गलत के रूप में माने जाते हैं इंग्लिश ग्रामर पर। सो आज के लिए हमारा ये प्रीपोजिशन का क्लास यही खत्म हुआ। हम इसके ऊपर कोई एक्सरसाइज लेकर जरूर आएंगे बहुत जल्दी। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।